Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Carcane app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. If you are an Apple user, then you have to open your Apple Store. If you are an Android user, you can open your Google Play Store as well. So here I am an Android user. You can directly search for Google search bar. So here I have to go. I have to search for the Carcane app. Okay, Carcane app. So here we can see the Carcane app. Okay, so I will just click on here, then I will just click on here. So right here I will just open it. So from here I have to click on the install button. It will automatically download and install the app in your device. So by this way you can just do it. If you scroll down, you can also rate from here and read ratings at here also. So by this way you can just do it. It's a very easy method. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.